In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup on HostGator. Whether you're a seasoned website administrator or a recent website owner, knowing how to restore a backup on HostGator is an important skill to ensure your data's safety. This process allows you to recover your site data if something goes awry. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your HostGator account. Once you log into your account, you'll find yourself in the control panel, often referred to as the cPanel. This is where all the magic happens, offering a wide array of tools and functionalities to manage your site effectively. Next, navigate to the Backup Wizard, or simply the Backup section. These tools are designed to help you easily manage your backup tasks, whether you're creating new backups or restoring existing ones. Finding this section is usually straightforward. You might find it under the Files section in the cPanel. Once you're in the correct section, it's time to zero in on the option labeled Restore. This might be a tab or a clearly marked button, but it's crucial as it will guide you through the rest of the backup restoration process. Clicking on Restore will present you with a few options on what specific data you want to restore. You can choose to restore the home directory if that's where your concern lies. Alternatively, if it's the MySQL database you're looking to restore, select this option. Picking the correct type of restoration ensures that you bring back only what's necessary, thereby making the process efficient and effective. With the type selected, you need to either upload your backup files, or if you have previously stored backups, choose one from the existing backup options available in your HostGator account. For uploading, ensure your backup file is easily accessible on your computer, as you will have to navigate to its location to upload it. If you're using an existing file, browse through your list and select the backup that best fits the recovery needs of your site. Now, with your files uploaded or selected, a confirmation notice often follows. This is your last chance to double check the details and ensure you've selected the right backup for restoration. Once you're confident, go ahead and confirm your choice. After confirming, the restoration process should begin. This might take a little time, depending on the size of the files being restored, and that's it. You've now learned how to restore a backup on HostGator, ensuring your site stays secure and your data remains recoverable. Remember, regular backups and understanding this restoration process are your best allies against data loss. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials and happy web managing.